Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Money Making Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, guys, I have a great video in store. I'm gonna break down what to send to an interested client. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You guys already know I'm doing this content for you guys so you can dominate in this industry. The reason why I wanna make this video is because a lot of people have been messaging saying, hey, Eric, I got somebody that's interested. What do I do? Some people panic, they freak out. They're just so excited. Oh my God, I have somebody that I can actually help. And their mind just goes blank. In today's video, I'm gonna give you guys steps that can help guide you on exactly what to send to clients so you can convert somebody that's interested into an actual claimant that is signing your agreement form and moving forward with the claim. So the first thing that we wanna do, anytime somebody is interested, whether it's a verbal commitment on the phone or they've sent you a text message saying, hey, yeah, let's go ahead and move forward, we need to make sure that we gather all of the important information and prepare that into what I like to call the introductory email. In the introductory email, we're gonna say, hello, claimant name. Thank you for choosing your company name. It is our pleasure to assist you with the claim located in. Then you're gonna list the county name. So let's say, for example, if we're helping John Smith. Hello, John Smith. Thank you for choosing. My company's name is Prestige Family Assets Group. Hello, John Smith. Thank you for choosing Prestige Family Assets Group. It's our pleasure to assist you with the surplus funds claim in, any county. Let's say Orange County, Florida. Here are the details of your claim. Now we're gonna break down what happened at the foreclosure. So we're gonna put sale date. We're gonna put property address. We're gonna put the type of foreclosure, we're gonna put the opening bid, or we're gonna put the amount owed. It's very important that we can distinguish this because there are some cases, specifically in mortgage foreclosures, where the opening bid is not actually what was owed. Sometimes opening bids and mortgage foreclosures are just 2/3 of the appraised amount, or it's just an amount that the trustee deemed as reasonable to start the auction. So you can either put opening bid or you can put amount owed. If we're on a tax sale, we know with certainty that opening bid is going to be how much they actually owed on the property. We're going to put the final sell amount. Then we're going to put keyword potential surplus. The reason why we put potential surplus, there could be second mortgages on the property, there could be a lien, there could be code enforcements from the county. We don't want to give a definitive surplus, we want to put potential surplus. We're going to break that down. Then after that, very important, this is something that I use that I've found high success in. A lot of my students use the same method and it helps them convert. We're gonna let them know we operate based on, then we're gonna list the state, all right? So let's say we're working Florida. We operate based on Florida state statute. Then we're gonna list the actual code. We're gonna reference the state statute. This allows the previous owner to claim the surplus funds after a foreclosure. If we're working with heirs, we can mention that as well. This gives people a sense of comfort knowing that, hey, this is legitimate. They have referenced state statute. They can do their research. They can look it up on their own. Then we're gonna let them know what's attached. So if we're attaching any sort of proof, I highly recommend sending proof in many ways. We can send the auction results showing that the property sold for a higher amount. We can send the notice of surplus funds letter. We can send a certificate of disbursement. We can send their name highlighted on the list. Pretty much any way in which you found the lead, you want to take a screenshot and send that. Now, when you take a screenshot, guys, we have to be professional. We can't just take a screenshot of our entire browser. You have all these tabs open. Make sure you correctly crop it. And please, please, please do not take a picture of your computer with your phone. That just looks terrible. Once we have all of that in the email, I highly recommend sending your agreement form as well because you might as well send everything in one slew. When it comes to the agreement form, you can send electronically like RabbitSign, DocuSign, Adobe PDF, but we want to give the client immediate access to be able to move forward. All right, so in this email, we're breaking down the foreclosure, we're sending our company's information, we're attaching the state statute, we're sending proof. This is what we send the client. We're letting our proof do the talking. You've initially marketed the client. That's great, but now it's time to close. And if you can send your intro email in this same format where you're thanking them, you're breaking down what happened in the foreclosure, you're sending the state statute, you're attaching proof, and you have a signature line with your name, your relationship with your company, your phone number, and email. This is very professional, and this is gonna allow you to close at an extremely high rate. So this is what you do. Hopefully that provided peace of mind. Whenever you get a client that is ready to move forward, don't freak out. Just follow these steps and you'll have success. If you guys are interested in learning how to do this business step by step from somebody who's been doing this business for over 6 years, go ahead and hit the link in the description. Use the code TAKEACTION. You'll receive $100 off the course. I'm looking forward to helping you out.